Heating equipment is the second leading cause of home fires in the United States. More than 65,000 home fires are attributed to heating equipment each year. These fires result in hundreds of deaths, thousands of injuries, and millions of dollars in property damage. Portable electric space heaters can be a convenient source of supplemental heat for your home in cold weather, but they can also increase the risks of fire or electric shock if not used properly. Here are some tips for keeping your home safe and warm this winter. Before using any space heater, read the manufacturer's instructions and warning labels carefully. Proper placement of space heaters is critical. Keep the heater at least 3 feet away from anything that can burn, including furniture, curtains, bedding, clothing, and paper. Place the heater on a level, flat surface, but do not put it on top of furniture. Locate the heater out of high traffic areas and doorways where it might be bumped or knocked over. Electric space heaters should not be used in wet or damp areas like the bathroom. Never touch an electric heater if you are wet. Inspect the heater's cord periodically. Do not use a heater with a damaged cord. Plug the heater directly into a wall outlet. Do not use a power strip or extension cord, which could overheat and result in a fire. Do not plug any other electrical devices into the same outlet as your heater. Never leave an operating space heater unattended. Turn it off and unplug it when you leave the room or go to sleep. Do not use a space heater in a room where children will be unsupervised. Always unplug and safely store the heater when it is not in use. A proactive approach to space heater safety will help keep your home safe and warm when it's cold outside.